Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be sharing to you another Japanese skincare brand that is available here in Japan. I'm so excited to share this all of you. I am so happy to be back. It's been a while since I did a review on skincare. Lately, I've been enjoying a lot of skincare brands here in Japan, so I'm pretty much excited to share this to all of you. But before we get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit the notification bell so that you will always be notified every time I upload a new video. So if you are interested to know about this skincare brand, then let's get started. So welcome back everyone, and in today's video I will try my very best to make this video as quick as I can, because there have been a lot of feedbacks that I've been receiving that my videos are very long, especially if I'm doing skincare reviews. So hopefully that I could make this shorter for you all, but nonetheless, let's get started. So the one that I'm going to be sharing to you all is the moisturizer from HADA LABO. It's their HADA LABO Shirojyun premium line. I don't know if you are familiar with HADA LABO, but I doubt it, because HADA LABO is very popular here in Japan. It's like a cult here in Japan. So guys, please bear with me. I just wanted to do a quick history on HADA LABO. So ever since I came here in Japan, HADA LABO is already been popular. I think it was 2005. But at the time, they only have, I think, the white one, which is the original one. And their goal with this skincare line is that they wanted to keep it very simple. In terms of like toner, moisturizer, and whatnot. So right now they are having different lines in their brand, which caters to every skin or age that you could ever imagine. So right now they are having a new line, which is the premium line, which includes the Shirojyun and the Gokujun. It's so hard to pronounce that, Gokujun one. So they have the one which is a better version of the older Shirojyun and Gokujun. So like as always, I will be inserting some clips of me trying out the product. But before that, I'm just going to quickly share to you where you could find HADA LABO products. So here in Japan, it is widely available nationwide. You can find it in anywhere, any drugstore that you could see here in Japan. So it is pretty much very accessible. So if you are outside Japan, you could easily find them online like Amazon. If you are in the Philippines, you could easily find them at Shopee. They have different HADA LABO products available there at Shopee, as well as in Lazada. So as for pricing, it's pretty much the same wherever drugstore you go here in Japan. This costs 1,300 yen for a 50-gram product. So now it's time for me to show you the clips when I've tried the moisturizer. So here we go. Hello friends, so today we will be testing out the HADA LABO Shirojyun Premium line. So ito yung itsura niya. Today is the first day that I'll be using one. I already applied it on my face, and I'm just going to quickly show to you what is the condition of my face before testing that one out. So I applied that because my skin looks so dry and feels so dry. I just stopped using the Skin Magical rejuvenating set. Let's check the pores. So this is how my nose area is looking like. Very pory, but it's not that big compared to the ones that I had before. So yeah, this is how the close-up of my skin. So as you can see, I don't have any congestion here on this area, because this is the main problem area that I always have whenever I use Japanese skincare, is that I always have congestion here on the jawline and on the mid cheek area. So let's check the other side. No congestion, very smooth because of the rejuvenating set that I've used. So smooth. And I don't have congestion also here, but some redness and old spots that I had, which is not going away. I'm focusing on the congestion problem. It's because that is always my problem whenever I try to use skincare line or skincare products here in Japan. So let's see if this one will make my skin congested, and also if the premium line has tranexamic acid. So let's see if my face will look brighter and whiter. Lighter pala, basta brighter, lighter. Kasi it claims to be skin brightening, I guess, or whitening. Are they the same? Japan. So this is how my skin is looking like. Looking pretty healthy. And it's been 12 days since I've used this one, so looking good, I guess. Feeling really hydrated since it's the winter. And my spots is still here. This is really very big, but it's starting to fade, but not faded yet kasi nakikita po nyo pa naman siya, diba? Ayan ang but I don't know if the HADA Labo was helping the fading with the fading of my scar, but so far no congestion here, because that is my main concern, is my congestion. But no congestion here on the mouth area. Yeah, but guess what? I have a friend here on the cheek. I don't know, maybe saan ba? Dito ako natutulog sa side of the face maybe. So I just have this one. Ito lang naman. It's not that big of a deal, I guess. Pero I don't know if you can see, but I don't have any congestion still here. Hopefully hindi tayo magka-congestion dyan, no? Kasi dyan yung main concern natin. And also on this side, looking pretty good as well. So this is forehead looking good still. So yeah, this is how my face is looking like after using for 12 days. Hey friends, so today I will be doing another update on the HADA LABO Shirojyun premium line. Today is the 23rd day that I've been using the HADA LABO. I think the cream, because I just started their toner or their lotion like 1 week ago, I guess. Yeah, I think 1 week or 8 days ago. So this is how my skin is looking. Sorry for the difficulty in speaking, because I'm not feeling so well for the past day. So let's take a look at my face right now. So here's the forehead. Yeah, looking pretty good, I guess. So on this side, I do not see any clogging still. But I have some few breakouts here. I don't know, it's because also that I'm feeling well, I guess. But my scarring has faded slowly but surely. It's been like how many, like yeah, since I've used it. It is almost 23 days, but this huge spot is still here, although this is already a scar. This is my first time to have a scar that is dark. Usually I have red scars after a breakup. So on this side, I think, when was that? The other day or the other day, that I have 2 whiteheads here. Yeah, whiteheads. So far, yun pa lang. But if you could check here, my breakout here has finally subsided on this side, and it looks pretty clear still. No congestion happening so far on the 23rd day. The nose area looks pretty okay, pretty decent, and here as well. So I don't know, this is, by the 23rd day, this is much better compared to the ones that I've tried before with HADA LABO. So yeah, pores. So that is our update for after using this for 23 days. It's been a month already since I've used the HADA LABO Shirojyun premium line, and let's check my face, how it's looking like. So my forehead still pretty clear, guys. On this side, still looking pretty clear. I have an itching here. I don't know what happened, but I have itching. So I have a scar here now, but it's pretty small. And yeah, and if you're going to check my my big scar, it has subsided, but it's not fully disappeared. It's been a month already that I've been using the HADA LABO, but still have my scars. So yeah, and let's check on the other side. Looking pretty cool still. Pretty it's still okay, it's still smooth. I did not have any clogging happening on my skin. That's that's really amazing. And let's check my nose. My nose, or my concern area where I have big pores or large pores or visible pores, they still look pretty the same. the overall look of my skin on my face, guys. Looks pretty okay. And you know, I don't know if you could tell or see any difference. I guess did my face look brighter or lighter? But it's already been a month already that I've used this, but I still have this left still, so I will be continuing to use this. I think a week. This would last me a week. So after I finish everything here, then I will be doing a final update. And also on the the toner, I still have this, will last me a week still, so I will be continuing to use this for a week and will do a final update. So this is our 38 days of using it. So this is how my skin's looking like. So I extended the use of it, and I also bought another bottle. I'm gonna show you later weekly. So it's been two bottles, two jars of moisturizer because I ran out of it. So I wanted to extend the use of it. So this is how my skin is looking like. Still no congestion happening, because this is usually my problematic area in terms of congestion. So the scarring's still there, sadly. I have a friend here because it's the time of the month, and I also tried using the instead of the toner or the lotion, I tried to use this one. So immediately after I used this one, the next day this came out. So I guess this one is the culprit, so I stopped using that. I've used the Some by Me like for 3 days, I guess. So not a good combination. So it's kind of looking pretty good, I guess. So 38 days. Hi friends, so today I'm gonna do a final update on the HADA LABO SHIROJYUN premium line, and today is my 44th day of using it actually. So let's take a look at my face today. I did a little brow, just a brow, and then I applied the usual. At the end I applied a sunblock only. Excuse this part here, it's because I tried to squeeze something here, that's why it's a little red. But let's take a look now on my face. So this is how the left side looks like. Still pretty looking good, no congestion that is happening. And on the other side, on the right side, I have a red bump here. This one is, I tried using a new mask, so this happened. I had an irritation because that mask was a little itchy, so that happened. But there's no congestion still. And here on the chin area, you could still see my dark spot from the previous breakout. Yeah, it's still not gone. It's been 44 days already, but my scarring from the pimple is still here and here. This one, I tried to squeeze this as well, but it's looking okay. No congestion here. Also in the upper lip area, nose looking still okay, I guess, if I'm going to compare this with the Sana one. So pretty happy with my pores is how looking like. I think it's not gonna really tighten, because with my age it's natural. So let's look at the forehead. Forehead's looking clear still. So overall, no breakouts with this line. So happy. So yeah, so happy. So that is pretty much my entire experience using the HADA LABO SHIROJYUN premium line. I really did enjoy using this one. It is such an amazing moisturizer for its price. It's not that bad for 1,300 yen, and you have a 50 milligrams of product. And what I could tell is I am an acne prone skin. Obviously I get clogged easily, but with this one I did not experience any clog in my skin. That was such a big plus. And also it really did made my skin brighter, and at the same time it did not made my pores larger, which is really, I've been looking for a moisturizer Like I've always tell in my video that I don't have any good experiences with moisturizer that is made here in Japan because it always makes my skin clog and also it makes my pores larger looking. So on this one, it did not happen. So that is really interesting and I'm so satisfied using this moisturizer from HADA LABO. So I think that's it for today's video, friends. If you already tried this product from HADA LABO, make sure that you leave it in the comment section down below. Please do share your experience. I really love to know what you think about this product. And also if you have any questions regarding the HADA LABO Shirojyun Premium Moisturizer, also don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section below. So I guess that's all it. Thank you so much always for tuning in, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. Thank you always for tuning in, friends, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!